All right, guys, we made it to the last three-dimensional shape that we're doing volume for, okay, which is sphere, and I know you're excited, okay. Sphere has an interesting definition. I know you guys know it's a ball, okay, but the actual geometric definition is a solid which each point is equidistant from a center point. So literally you have a point, a set point first, and it's just this collection of all of these points that are the same distance from that in every direction, and that's what makes it a nice, perfect sphere, okay? A couple features that you already know, that's when I kind of go over it. If you go from the center to the edge, that's going to be the radius, okay? If you double that, like this dotted line right here going north-south, that's going to be the diameter because it goes from one side of the sphere through the center to the other, okay? The center is obviously that center point. The only thing that might be new to you is something called great circle. And I don't know why, but when I was staring at that sphere this morning, I was thinking cheese, you know, like a big ball of Gouda cheese, right? And if you were to take that big ball of Gouda cheese and slice the biggest circle off of that, which means you cut that in half and make two hemispheres, and you look at the bottom of that hunk of cheese, that's going to be called the great circle. So it's the biggest round slice. Ooh, how about provolone? All right, we can go with provolone if you like. Okay, again, not a difficult topic. We're doing volume. We're going to fill this up with some kind of liquid, I guess. All you got to do is grab the right formula, okay? And for spheres, you're going to use volume is 4/3 pi r cubed. So volume equals 4/3. All right, I'm going to put the pi in the back. R cubed, and let's just go ahead and put the pi back here. And I don't know if I've been doing that this year on these videos, but honestly, it's just kind of smart to put pi in the back because it's not going to change. We're always going to make pi be 3.14. What you got to look out for, obviously, is just the radius, okay? All right, do not let that 4/3 bug you, okay? There's so many ways we can handle that, and I'm hoping you're already seeing that sphere is easy because all you need is the radius. So, they gave you the radius. We're doing an easy example. So leave the 4/3 alone, okay? Grab your 7, and we're going to take it to the third power, and you're going to leave that alone, of course. Okay, stay with me. If you're bored, hey, I get it. All right, so you have many options for doing 7 to the third power. If you just want to go 7 times 7 times 7, you can. But either way, that's going to be 343. I'm going to grab this 4/3 and write it in front. And I'm going to leave this pi alone. I have yacked at y'all many times about the ABC key. The ABC key on your calculator is wonderful, and in the mood I'm in this morning, that's what we're going to use, okay? So I'm just going to go 4, okay? Hit the ABC key. All right, y'all find it? 3, okay, for 4/3. Multiply by 343. Then I'm going to multiply by 3.14, okay? And I get the grand total of 1436. Okay, 1436. We're still in the land of volume. Grab that inches. Inches cubed. Okay? All right, talk to me, talk to me. Did you find that? Hopefully you found that ABC key. All right? If you found that to be simple, it's because it is simple. It really, really, really is easy. If you don't have an ABC key, you can go 343 times 3.14 times the 4, okay? Hit equals and then divide by 3 and you'll get the same answer, okay? All right, now that's filling that sphere. That's filling that ball. Now we're going to do surface area of a sphere. And I got good news for you, okay? The formula is straight up, it's actually much easier, okay? So let's just skip to number 3. Let me bring you number 3 into focus. All right, the only thing different with number 3, and I'll erase the board, it says find the surface area, okay? Well, surface area, remember, we're not filling that sphere. We're taking spray paint and we're spray We're spraying the outside of it. We're covering the surface of it. Well, you're going to love this formula, okay? Yes, it's on page 1. Very, very good. The surface area of a sphere, a whole sphere, is 4 pi r squared. So 4 pi r squared, and this is surface area. And let's just do what I was just saying earlier. Let's go ahead and put that pi in the back. So go ahead and make it 4 times radius squared, and then we'll just put the pi, get in the habit. You know, some years I forget to do that, but honestly, there's no stress with that. All you gotta do is find the radius. Okay, they're either gonna give you the diameter, they're gonna give you the radius. Sometimes they give us the answer and we work backwards. But anyway, this is not difficult, okay? All right, here we go, here we go, here we go. So 4, radius 2.8. I'm gonna square that baby, and then I'm gonna multiply by this. If you're having a little trouble with this unit, you know, I know I keep saying it's pretty easy once you have the formula, is maybe you forgot your order of operations too. You gotta get that exponent first. So you gotta go 2.8 squared first, okay? And that's gonna give you 7.84. And then you're just gonna multiply by these other numbers. All right, so you gotta do exponents first, and then you can multiply. And then here we go, 7.84 times that 4 times your great old pi, and I'm going to get an answer of 98.5. So 98.5 meters. Now I got to slow down. I almost put cubed, all right, because I saw a 3D you know, ball there, a sphere, but it was surface area. So you put squared. The meter squared tells you that you're finding the area. What are you doing? You're spray painting that. Why? Because you're bored, just stuck in your house. Okay, make sure you can find page 1. Make sure you're watching these videos. If you want to go on YouTube and watch other people do videos, great. There's a lot of good stuff out there, okay? All right, it is good to see you. This is Notes 23.4. I will see you soon.